Dito naman, ang gagawin natin is, kukuha tayo ulit ng line, then endpoint, 0.5. Pag may lumabas na, then click. Tapos, pababa, then enter. Then offset again. Pag 0.5 na yung nakalagay, you just click the space, then enter. Tapos, type M for multiple. Then, click mo lang hanggang sa dulo. Then, enter. Enter again. Then, yung gagawin natin next is, pupunta tayo sa by layer. Tapos, other. Then, load. Hahanapin natin yung mga given na line. Una is, ito. Next naman is, yung may dalawang dot. Okay. Baka meron pa dito. Ito. May dalawang dot. Then, next is, isang dot. Isang dot. Then, next is, tatlong dot. Okay na to. Next naman, isang lahat dot. The next is, yung unang line is yung ISO dash space, and current. And, okay. Ayan na. Lumabas na siya. I-click mo lang tong pang tatlong line kasi straight line lang naman yung nakalagay sa pangalawa. So, i-click mo to, then left and right. Wait. Left and right, click, and properties. Then, yung size naman ito is, wait lang. Papalitan natin to. Then, size nito is 0.03. Enter. So, okay na siya. ESC. Then, next line is, straight line again siya. Kaya, dito naman tayo sa panglima. Kunin naman natin yung dalawang dot. Hanapin natin. Oops. Wait. Okay na. Then, yung size naman ito is 0.05. Yan. ESC naman. Then, next niya is yung isang dot. Isang dot. Then, 0.05. Enter. Then, next naman, ESC muna. Then, click this line. Then, yung next naman niya is itong line. Then, yung size naman ito is 0.05. And enter. Next is 1 dot again. Tapos, same lang yung size. Yung pang tatlo lang talaga yung 0.03. 0.5. Then, enter. Then, ESC. Next is click this. And, next is 2 dot naman. Same again, 0.05. And enter. Then, ESC. Click this line. Then, 3 dot naman. And 0.05. Then, enter. Pag malaki siya, pwede mo siyang palitan ng 0.03 pag malaki. So, okay na yan. ESC. Then, next is the dot. All dot. Size naman nito is 0.05. Then, enter. Okay na. X mo lang to. Then, proceed na tayo sa kabila.